Okay, we've got an update, and this is breaking news. I haven't brought out the blinged out microphone. I don't have nothing comical to add to this. I'm just here to give you the facts. The breaking news is being brought to us by the Atlanta Journal Constitution, and it is that Fani Willis has admitted to having a personal relationship with the prosecutor who is working on the RICO case in regards to Donald Trump and all of the co-defendants, Nathan Wade. Fani Willis has submitted a 176-page document where she says that the accusations made against her and Nathan Wade were designed mainly to garner media attention and didn't carry much legal weight. Now we know that's what all of this was designed to do, but it was also designed to attack her credibility and her integrity. It talks about the upcoming February 15th hearing with Scott McAfee, who's going to be going through all of the information that has been floating around out on social media. And I guess he's going to make some sort of determination. I don't know what determination that is, whether it's going to remove her from the case or it's going to remove him from the case or maybe both of them. I don't know. Quote, in 2022, District Attorney Willis and I, this is coming from Nathan Wade, who filed an addendum to what she submitted. Quote, in 2022, District Attorney Willis and I developed a personal relationship in addition to our professional association and friendship, end quote. The article goes on to say Willis hasn't improperly benefited from Wade's appointment and compensation. Her office insists, quote, to be absolutely clear, the personal relationship between Special Prosecutor Wade and District Attorney Willis has never involved direct or indirect financial benefit to District Attorney Willis. Defendants have produced no evidence to suggest that there is any circumstance that would constitute a financial incentive on the district attorney's part to pursue a conviction in this case through the appointment of Special Prosecutor Wade. End quote. The article goes on to say the response said that Willis and Wade do not share finances or financial accounts, are not now and have never been in any shared household, and are not financially reliant on each other. The response also points out that um, Georgia courts have held in both civil and criminal contexts that personal relationships among lawyers, even on opposing sides of litigation, do not constitute impermissible conflicts of interest. The response notes that two sets of lawyers in the case have personal relationships. Amanda Clark Palmer, who represents Ray Smith, and Scott Grubman, who represents Kenneth Chesborough, and Frank and Laura Hogue, who represented Jenna Ellis. Kind of makes you go, when they point out that there are other people working on this case that have personal relationships going on, but they've only got a problem with this relationship between Fani Willis and Nathan Wade. The article goes on to say that the state said it did not alert the court to these relationships as potential conflicts because they constitute no legal conflict. And, quote, until Roman's motion was filed, the private lives of the attorney participants in this trial was not a topic of discussion, end quote. The article goes on to talk about how Michael Roman's attorney is bringing all of this up in bad faith. The article goes on to condemn Michael Roman's attorney for disparaging Nathan Wade's legal career, and then it goes on to list all of what the man has done in his legal career. I'm kind of disappointed, not in the fact that Fani Willis was having a private and personal relationship with the lead prosecutor. I'm not. Do you do what you do? I'm kind of disappointed that she didn't think ahead and say to herself that these people are going to dig, and they're going to dig deep. And if there's anything going on with me personally that can be misconstrued or used to distract or to discredit or anything to bring this case down, they would do it. How did you not know, Fani? How did you not know that you being involved with this man that you brought on to work on this case would be used against you? Anywho, we'll wait to see what happens at the hearing that is scheduled for February 15th. And yeah, that's all I got for now. I'm done for the day. I'll see y'all later.